How to use Doordash FastPay. First, ensure you've completed at least 25 deliveries and been on Doordash for over 2 weeks. Have a linked debit card to your Doordash account. In the Doordash app, find Earnings and click on it, then go to Set up FastPay. Enter your banking details for regular payments and your debit card info for FastPay. After setup, a 7-day waiting period is necessary before using FastPay for the first time. Once eligible, go to Earnings and tap FastPay to transfer your weekly earnings instantly to your bank account. Each transaction costs $1.99. Use FastPay judiciously, especially for urgent needs. Consider the $1.99 fee, as frequent use could accumulate costs. 25 completed deliveries, 2 weeks on Doordash, linked debit card, usually minutes but may take a few days based on your bank. Payments cannot be canceled once requested via FastPay. Use once daily after the initial 7-day waiting period. FastPay is unavailable for Canadian Doordash drivers. Doordash FastPay offers flexibility, but watch out for fees. Use it when urgent, but limit frequent use to avoid added costs. I hope you found this video informative. Thanks for watching.